Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Glams and I'm back with another tutorial for you guys. So this video is going to be as straightforward as possible. Today I'll be doing the invisible crochet method. It is very simple, very straightforward. All you need to do is pay attention as I show you this tutorial. The extension that I'll be using for this invisible crochet style is from QVR, and I got sent the kinky bulk extension. This is the human hair extension and it comes in different colors. This one is the color is natural and this is in 18 inches. So we'll be doing the invisible crochet style using QVR extension. So I'm going to put my hair in cornrows and I'm going to show you guys the easiest way to achieve the invisible crochet method. For the extension, I got sent 5 packs and I'll be showing you guys what the extension looks like. I haven't even opened it yet, but I can see from the pack it looks really beautiful, and this is what it's looking like right now. And this is in 18 inches in natural color. So natural color is looking like a color 1B, color 2 in that slide. I'm just going to move it closer to the camera so you guys can see the texture of this kinky bulk extension.
Oh, you find it funny, lying straight through your teeth.
So guys, the cornrows is just going to be the basic all back cornrows, the cornrows going all the way back. And then I did something else by the side of the cornrows. The reason I took the cornrows from the front all the way to the back was because just in case I need to pull the hair up in a bun and then I tease the back of the hair, it's going to look extremely natural. But basically this style, all you need to do is take the cornrows all the way back. In this video, my hair is freshly washed and it's actually very damp here, and it was a struggle to part my hair. That is why usually I would style my hair when it is blow dried. And then again, I just want you guys to know that my hair is not dirty. I did a deep conditioning treatment and I used the olive deep conditioning mask. If you know that olive deep conditioning mask, then you're familiar with the stuff that is on my hair right now. So those are just the olive products in my hair.
Nothing could have made me believe. No one could have convinced me. Had to use my own 2 eyes to see. 'Cause always make you think you going crazy. Something in the way they lie, manipulation. No more patience. 'Cause there's a million things that I'd rather do than to be fishing for truth. Am I in the twilight zone? Or am I just a fool so wrong for loving you? But you forgot that I'm a shooter. Think I'll take 5 shots. 1 for the day that I learned I 2 for the bridges you burned I 3 for the chances you had, and 4 for the bitches you bagged, and 5 for never being sad. No, 1 for the trauma you caused.
So after I was done doing the cornrows, I had to apply oil on my scalp because my scalp was really dry. And I'm just showing you guys the back of the cornrows. As you can see, one of the cornrows going all the way round. The reason I did that, as explained, is just that in case I need to pull my hair up in a bun. Now this extension, one thing I love about this extension, this is my hair extension from QVR, is that it's already pre-separated. So you don't need to do so much with separating and trying to get the right size amount and everything. Everything is already separated. So all you just need to do is pick on the strand you want to work with and then you start to crochet. So I'm just showing you guys here how I crochet or do this crochet style. It's still the same basic crocheting method. There is nothing unusual, but if at this point you still don't know how to crochet your hair, there are so many videos here on YouTube for you to learn. It's very easy to crochet your hair. One thing I love about this extension is that it is natural looking. It can be dyed and easily restyled. So let's say you're done with this crochet style and you want to twist your hair, you can actually twist your hair with this extension and it's going to come out looking really beautiful. So it's a very versatile human hair extension and I really like it. So when I started crocheting the hair, I did not separate the hair. I just started applying it, just to see how well it's going to look. And then after a while, I said, you know what, let me just test the extension to see how, if it's very easy, because I was able to separate with my fingers, as you can see in the video, very easy to detangle. And I said, okay, you know what, or separate, I'm going to use my comb. So here I am just brushing out the ends and then brushing out the body of the extension, and it was so fluffy and it's giving me what it's supposed to give. And this is how I started installing the hair. So I would comb it out a little bit. Can you see the texture of this extension? It's just amazing. So here I'm showing you guys that I just did one of the bundle out of the 3 bundles in one pack, and the hair is already looking really full, but I don't want it to look so full, so I'm just going to keep crocheting the hair until I'm okay with the volume that I have. So this extension, this Afro Kinky bulk extension, comes in color 1B, color 27, color 30, and I think they also have color T2 30 as well. They have different colors on their website. So if you're trying to get this extension, all the details you need will be in the description box down below. So do check out, click on the link. It's going to take you straight to their official website so you can buy your own Afro Kinky bulk extension from QVR Hair.
No more patience, cause there's a million things that I'd rather do than to be fishing for truth. Am I in the twilight zone, or am I just a fool so wrong for loving you? But you forgot that I'm a shooter, think I'll take 5 shots.
For this extension, I only used 2.5 packs of the extension. I remember I got 5 packs, right? So I only used 2.5 packs, and I'm very okay with the volume that I got. But if you want it fuller, you can definitely use the whole 5 pack. It all depends on your preference as well.
One for the trauma you caused, 2 for the number of draws I found, 3 for the promises made, and 4 for the way that you break them. 5 shots won't take no more. 5 shots won't take no more. Oh, you find it funny, lying straight through your teeth. That's your loss, it's not on me, cause tonight I'm going out, work it out with a few dreams. 1 for the day that I learned, 2 for the bridges you burned, 3 for the chances you had, and 4 for the bitches you bagged, and 5 for never be.
So we're almost at the fun part of transforming this crochet extension into invisible crochet style. So you're going to need your brush, any brush you have, and we're going to be doing what is called back combing. Now because I'm using a brush, we're going to call it back brushing. But I alternated between using this brush and then using a comb. That is what you need basically, but you can basically use just the brush, right? But I just had to switch between using the brush and then the comb. So what I'm doing now, or what back combing means, it's also known as teasing or ratting. It's a way of combing your hair that is used to create volume as well as to create certain hairstyles. And in this case, we're creating the invisible crochet look. So as you're going to see at the end of this video, it's going to give you a natural feel like you have on your frontal wig. Okay, it's going to hide the tracks, as you can clearly see, and it's also going to hide the what's it called, the crochet of the extension. So basically it's already looking like it's growing from my scalp, and that is what you need to do. So you keep teasing the hair, keep back combing until you get your desired look that you like or that you love. And that's it, guys. Basically it's as simple as ABC. So you keep back combing until you get what you need. So now that I'm done back combing, I'm just trying to shape the style into my desired look. And this is what I'm just basically doing, trimming out the ends and making sure that it looks very beautiful and realistic. Let me tell you something about the style. So I went out to the mall the other day, rocking this crochet style, and women thought this was my hair. Like everybody was like, "How did you achieve your curls? What product did you use? How did you do it?" And all that. And I was just smiling to myself because it looks so realistic. Like you really have to see me in person. Even with the camera, I guess you guys can see how it's looking right now. It looks too realistic. And you can always keep teasing as much as possible to keep achieving the best of how you want the extension to look. And the fact that this QVR hair is so soft, looks very natural, it's 100% human hair. Like if you're doing this style, I would highly recommend you use human hair for it because it is just the best. And you can sprit it with water, you can sprit it with leave-in conditioner. It's very soft, it feels really soft like human hair, like your natural hair. And so it's the perfect extension for doing the invisible look. So don't use synthetic hair for this style. It's not going to look nice. Okay, make sure you're using human hair for this style. Synthetic hair is going to feel very hard. You can't tease it as much as you would do it on this style. It looks really natural and soft. So can you guys see how beautiful this invisible crochet style is? Like, guys, it's looking like I have on a frontal wig, but this is crochet, guys. This is crochet. And the beautiful part about this human hair extension is that you can reuse it as often as you want to, and you can do this crochet style, you can use it for twists, you can use it for basically any style that you want to use it for. You can't tell me this is not my natural hair. Can you guys see how beautiful this invisible crochet style is? I absolutely love it. Now the more you want it to look realistic, the more you continue to tease and tease and tease. But I'm okay with this. If I want to put it up in a bun, I have to tease around the perimeters of my head. But I absolutely love the way it's looking right now. Like, tell me this is not coming from my scalp. So this style is really beautiful, and I hope the tutorial is very simple for you to achieve, and hope to see you guys recreate the style and tag me and let me know. If this is your first time of clicking on my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Click on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I make a post here on YouTube, and drop your comment in the comment section down below. Tell me your thoughts. What do you think about this human hair extension, and what do you think about me doing this style? Tell me what you think about this invisible crochet style, and until my next video, guys, bye.
Won't take no more. Am I in the twilight zone, or am I just a fool so wrong for loving you, but you forgot that I'm a shooter, think I'll take a bite.